state your name for me and spell it.
Okay, sounds good.
Whenever you're
So
ready.
it's Karina, Karina, Ruiz, Ruiz.
All
And
right.
I'm the current president at the Arizona DreamAct Coalition.
All right, and explain what that is for me just real quick.
Yes, we're a nonprofit that is dedicated to advocate for higher education for undocumented students as well as students with deferred action for childhood arrivals, otherwise known as DACA.
Okay, awesome. And what are some of the services that you provide for students that come in and ask for help?
Yes, we provide help with their application for the DACA. They need to apply for the work permit and the Social Security, so we provide help with that application to clean cases.
Okay, awesome. And then why right now, currently, do you guys think you're more important than ever?
Yes, right now in the climate that we are in, I mean, in Arizona, the immigrant community has been always targeted by racist groups and political interests. So in these times for us, after students were able to fight and win the battle, not for the DREAM Act in 2010, but for DACA in 2012, since then we have been even more of a target. There has been groups that were not okay, they think that it's an amnesty even though it is not. And so we're trying to advocate and to push for a permanent solution. Because we do recognize that DACA is very fragile and that it is a temporary solution that only prevents the deportation of these students and youth, but it does not provide a pathway to citizenship. So right now it is being attacked by Texas and 10 other states. So in the state of Arizona, it is important for us to be here, not just to provide the services, to apply for this benefit, but also to organize our community so that we can defend that victory and organize to work on something, a solution that would be permanent for the close to 1 million youth that need it in the whole United States. And locally, we believe there's about 28,000 dreamers that would be affected. In that, we're also involved in the in-state tuition fight. The state has targeted students after the announcement that we were able to get the benefit of being here legally present. The former governor, Jan Brewer, immediately stepped up and started a lawsuit so that we could not, well, she did an executive order and then a lawsuit followed by, because the Maricopa Community Colleges Board decided to give in-state tuition, so they filed a lawsuit, and the current Attorney General, Mark Brnovich, and the current Governor, Ducey, followed the steps from their predecessors. So right now we are in those legal battle fights. Us as the Arizona DreamAct Coalition took over the case as a plaintiff. We are participating currently as a plaintiff for the driver's licenses case, which is now pending the hearing to the U.S. Supreme Court. So this case is very important because it would affect not just dreamers and the ability of getting a driver's license for DACA recipients here in Arizona, but in the whole United States. And right now we're seeing that, again, Texas and other states are targeting DACA as a whole. So right now it is important for us to be here to, number one, provide information about what's happening to the community so that they are not in panic and they're not alarmed, but they remain calm and informed, and that way we're able to organize. We are here also to not just inform them, but to call them to action and put in pressure so that we can find a permanent solution to this issue. And it goes beyond that. It's not just for us, but it's also, we also work as a organization in immigrant rights. So it extends to our families. Most dreamers live in mixed status families, which means they're probably dreamers and then they have like a parent that is undocumented, they might have a parent that is resident, or siblings that are citizens. So we are in a mixed status families, and those dynamics and how the narrative of the good immigrant and bad immigrant is affecting the whole United States, we're trying to also participate in those conversations from our perspectives as youth and as students.
That's awesome.